Okay, sort of clickbait, but not really. Let me explain. Look at how empty. There's just no one at the, I mean, I don't blame people for not being at the airport. Who's flying right now? Crazy people like myself. But there is one other guy that I see. So check-in's gonna be quick on the bright side. 5:02 a.m. I still haven't gotten used to the fact that I'm able to do this, of just walk into Central Park and watch the sunrise over a lake. It's surreal. I need to hop in a cab in about an hour and 20 minutes and go to LaGuardia Airport because I have a flight out of New York City going back to Canada. I'm not leaving for good. I want to clear that up right now. I'm leaving temporarily because, okay, let's just explain it like this. New York just finally allowed curbside pickup of goods, and almost no businesses did it because they're all boarded up and people are still extremely hesitant, with good reason, to be outside and out and about. And in Winnipeg, there are 6 cases of COVID, and everything, shopping malls, restaurants, everything, barbers. I definitely need a barber. Everything is open and functioning relatively normally. The reason I chose to go back to Canada now is because, number one, I had a 6-month lease on my apartment here, and that ends tomorrow. I could have renewed it, could have got a new lease in another apartment, whatever. I have a lot of work that I do need to get done in Canada. I've hired a full-time employee that I need to train and get set up with everything that we're doing over there. And there's stuff that needs to be done in Winnipeg, and if I'm gonna do it, I'd rather take a break from New York for a few weeks while everything is still shut down. Oh, I feel like I'm saying goodbye to a child. Like, this is gonna just suck. I've gotten so used to being able to boosted board around the city and just, you know, explore and have fun. I sound like I'm talking about like the death of a child or something. Like, realistically, I'm not leaving forever. I'm gonna be back. It's probably my lack of sleep talking. It's 5 in the morning and I got 2 hours of sleep. This is sad to see. It's so echoey in here now. Just completely cleared out. It's been good. It's been good being in here. Next New York apartment will hopefully be a little bit bigger, but getting a 6-month lease for the price I got this for was 100% worth it. I will be so sad to see you go though. I will miss you, apartment. I will miss you. It is so empty. There's like 8 people, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 people. We're back in Canada. It feels so strange to be back here. Not that it's sad to be back. It's sad to be back here. 100% it is sad and depressing to be back here. Not that I don't love Canada, but it's like, come on. I was in New York City this morning, in Central Park. Now I'm not. Flying experience was weird. I had so many bags with me that I quickly realized I did not have a hand to carry you guys. So I tried to film a little bit on my phone. More people than I thought. Everyone had to wear a mask the entirety of the flight. I'm not complaining, it makes sense 100%. It's just very inconvenient and uncomfortable. They ask you a bunch of questions at the border when you're coming into Canada. Where are you going to be staying? Are you seeing any old people or people with immunocompromised issues? And then you say no because you're not an idiot and you're not going to do that. And then they just let you go home. So here I am now. After not being here for like, what, 7 months? Feels good to be back in my apartment. You guys are probably doing the math now and connecting the dots of yesterday's video, how I was moving some stuff and how I said I was getting rid of some sneakers was purely because I did not want to pay to put sneakers in storage. Just seems like a dumb use of money. I fit what I could in my suitcase and then I left a couple at my friend's place. The rest of them gone, sold, dunzo. Due to some clever editing and scheduling of videos, I've actually been home for a couple days already. And it is weird to have things in my apartment like a microwave, washer dryer, a shower with good water pressure. I mean, that was shocking. I got here, turned on my shower and was like, oh my goodness, I forgot what water pressure felt like. I'm gonna be back soon though. This is not a I'm moving away video or anything like that. Once things settle down a little bit in New York, once I finish the work that I have to do here, as I said, we just hired a full-time team member, which I'm super, super excited about. Once all of that stuff gets settled, once New York gets a little bit more settled, and once I can find a new lease in Manhattan, then I'll be back in New York doing everything that I do over there. But I am excited for some new adventures here. A whole bunch of new things are gonna be going on here. And I'm so excited. If you guys are excited for what's gonna happen, just make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new. Seriously though, hitting the like button takes half a second and it helps out the channel so much. So let's see how many likes we can hit. While we are here though, I realize that I probably have a decent amount of viewers that have never seen me be in Canada and have never seen my apartment in Canada. I'll give you a quick tour. I would like to put this into perspective. You saw the tiny little closet that I was living in Manhattan, cleared out and empty, and it still looked tiny. I pay around $700 less per month for this place. Coming back here is just like mind-blowingly cheap how cheap this place is. It's a beautiful, beautiful condo. I'd be spending $6,500 a month if I had this place in New York, at least. And here I'm spending like $1,150. Quick tour. You guys are gonna have to excuse the mess. There's still some luggage and stuff laying around and I'm a bit of a neat freak, but here we have a closet, which is honestly pretty much the same size as the closet I had in New York. Here's all the shoes that I just pulled out of my suitcase, boosted board, suitcase, luggage, and here we have the washer and dryer, which I'm so excited about. Oh, look at this amazing fancy bathroom. I have missed tiled floors and tiled walls and a proper shower, and look at this beautiful mirror. Hey guys, I love you. This is like a second bedroom office room. I use it as an office slash TV room. There's usually a desk here. There is not currently a desk here. I need to go to IKEA and get like a desk because I took the desk that I had here to my office and now there's no desk here. Huge pile of random shoes in this dark room. I don't know what is in this box, but we're gonna open it up and find out. Oh, nice. Dude, I got these for retail when I was in New York and now they go for like 450 bucks. Here's a bunch of crap that I just unpacked that I need to find places to put. Beautiful painting, coincidentally painted by my high school chemistry teacher. Really interesting story with this. I was looking for a big painting to go there, sort of in this style of very modern, just color blocky looking stuff. And I saw this walking past an art gallery. And I was immediately drawn to it because it had this orangey red, which perfectly aligned with this chair. And then it had that one little square of yellow, which perfectly matched with that chair. And I was like, sold, I'm buying this. And then as I was buying it, I found out that my high school chemistry teacher painted it. I had no idea when I purchased it. But yeah, Mr. Hebert, thank you for the painting. Here is another little workstation, desk, shelf, shelves, a bunch of books that I've read. I don't know, there's probably some useful information in some of those. Then over here we have the bedroom. Voila! Beautiful big closet with all of my clothes and my shoes. Let's take a quick little look. I mean, you can see there's so many. It's just Jordan 1s and Jordan 1s and Jordan 1s and Jordan 1s, and then another nice mirror. Hey, now the best part of this condo, if you guys ask me, is the balcony and the view. It's full wall windows, and then you can walk out here onto this balcony and get an absolutely amazing view of all that downtown Winnipeg has to offer. I mean, okay, they don't actually have that much to offer. It's downtown Winnipeg, and as I said, if you had this type of view in Manhattan, $6,500 at least. But it's a beautiful place. I'm looking forward to spending some time here, seeing my friends again, and sharing some adventures with you guys. That being said, guys, I'm gonna get going. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. If you're still watching at this point in the video, comment Orange Champion hoodie down in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. That was a little sensual. I apologize if that made you feel uncomfortable.